Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or input an image in ChatGPT step by step. First of all, open up ChatGPT on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once logged in, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus icon in front of the text box. Now you can tap on camera button and take a picture from your camera or choose an existing picture from your device's camera roll. I'm going to choose an existing image, so let me tap on photos. After tapping on photo, go ahead and select a picture from your device's camera roll and you will be able to upload the image on ChatGPT. You can also add a message or ask a question about the image, and then that way you will be able to upload image on ChatGPT. Remember to only use and upload images you have permission to use. Avoid sharing private or sensitive information in the image. And there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.